This is a curb find. It's a Kenmore Elegance. Looks like the hose is all taped up. I'm wondering if the hose was leaking or the power for the brush bar. As usual, I'm going to put a face mask on because I don't like getting a nose full of dust. You never know what to expect, I tell you, with these. Oh yeah, that's... fired right up. I'm turning the brush bar on and I can hear that. Here, I'll move the camera. It's wanting to go, but it's jammed. Let's see, I'll disconnect the brush bar and we'll see if we got suction. Got the brush bar up here. Alright, let's start it up again, see what happens. Whoa. Well, the switch is working. Floor, carpet. And it's got good suction. Yeah, there's got to be clipped there. There. There's a clip there. Okay, yeah. Clip on either side. It's definitely jammed. Let's take the bulb out so I don't break it. I don't even know if it works. That clip's busted, so somebody was in here sometime. Oh, that clip's busted too now. That's how easy they break. Must get brittle with time. I'll fix that up. Okay, let's see here. Oop, bearing came out. I mean, the cap came off the bearing. Let's see if this actually rolls. No, it's seized. This one here spins, but this one here is seized. I didn't bother connecting the hose. I just put the wire on. Okay. Good suction. Let's check. Spinning nicely. Okay, put this aside. We'll work on the brush bar. See, there's rust in there. I'm going to use some WD-40 to clean these up. But I use this to clean it. But you need a little bit of grease in there. Bearing grease. Or if you don't have any of that, I guess you can use Vaseline. Because once the WD-40 dries out, then you'll have nothing. So I'm just using it to clean. See all the gums? See all the stuff? Yeah, you need something proper to lubricate that in there. And I'll get the middle. I'll clean the cap. And I'll clean the other side and sometimes hair gets wound in there. You want to fish that out also. That one looks pretty clean. See, when you get it cleaned properly, see how that's spinning now? That side's good. That's got to put a little bit of grease in there. I got that part working.